Kumshibanta ka jingrakhi kari India ya kaswas nari sashak pariva abhiyan haka arpo hunyaw tare unay lor araja arpusan ulat ka jilla u CH Vijaya Shankar haka sin ka baningkong ulahyar sa Eastern West Khasi Hills District ban lejngo ya ka Tirat Singh Memorial Civil Hospital Mairang ban ayman siyem bat ban penslor ya kinong tray haka ka hospital bat ya kinong penyat ka district. Hakading kesengi ulat kejala oleh kendo bat ya krenru bat kinong pang, kinong simdawai, ki dokter, ki nurse, bat kinong tray hakate kejaka ai jing sumar. Hakani kesengi nolor ulat kejala laya don langru do Commissioner bat Secretary Keterangan Health, Welfare and Family Department u Dr. Joram Beda, ke Deputy Commissioner juga District ke Kong Anita Kharpor, ke District Medical and Health Officer ke Dr. M. Solia, u Medical Superintendent ke Tirat Singh Memorial Civil Hospital Mairang u Dr. Timothy Lingdo, u Superintendent of Police u Ba D. Kriem, ringkat ki dokter, ki nurse, ki kena school bat ki nongwan simdawai ki balawan na keleng ki jaka jong ke district. Haka dengan sengi ulat ke jela ula samru ya ki kriya jing bam batay, syaki longkme ba arman, bat syaki ba pang TB, kat bayi ki samla kan thay lut, la yo ban sam marshisong ki jan sumarman, kum ka dak ba ka ri India ka iet, ka nyokor bat ka sumar kerpang ya ki longkme bat ki khun kan thay. Habakran kumukong san ula penpau bawatla udang sudap sya sumar dangshan hakaban nakaliang ki doktor kila bethayu uban kiar nakabayat lenti shibanai lani arbnai Henry ula jet hi ban wan nakabenta ki pajba.
Actually, I had undergone with surgery. Doctors advised me not to travel in there 1.5 2 months of time, not to take travel. But one side my health, another side the health of people of Meghalaya. When both of the issues come before me, my top priority should be as a governor of the state, my top priority should be people of Meghalaya. People of Meghalaya. Because of that I am here. Because of that I am holding this high position in the state. So ultimately I thought I must have to visit many of the districts, district headquarters, go and interact with the people and trying to understand their pulse. But here some of the district level officers, DHO and the superintendent of this hospital, as if they have been given the report. Through that I can understand you are doing well here. In that way, I thank you people on behalf of this district. Swastha Nari is a Hindi word. Swastha, aswastha. Swastha matlab healthy. Nari matlab woman. Nari matlab woman. Healthy woman. Shashakta parivar. If at all the whole family to be happy, to be all right, everyone should be healthy in that family. Lead a healthy life. First priority goes in the family to women. Women that of that family. If at all she is healthy, the whole family will be healthy. If at all woman is not healthy, that family cannot be healthy. So that Prime Minister thought, during his birthday, he never told anybody, he thought women of this country should be healthy. This program, not only to Meghalaya, this program being introduced by the Honorable Prime Minister of this country, to the whole of the nation, to the whole of the nation, to the women community, to the women community. So I request all of you people, you participate in this health checkup camp. You see, if at all you suffer any diseases, either cancer, checkup is free. Under this scheme, checkup is free, medicine is free, treatment is free. If at all you have any cardiac problem, cardiac issues, heart related problems, checkup is free, medicine is free, and treatment is free. Likewise, any kidney issue, any of the other issues related to women, if at all, before 2nd of October, if at all you are able to take health checkup, and if at all any disease is there as such, everything is free for you people. This is the assurance given by the Honorable Prime Minister of this country.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat akabatau bha kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.